Hello Ajay, how are you today?
Hi man, I'm all good. How are you?
I'm good, bro. Nice to meet you after so long. Yeah,
Yeah, same here.
I think it's been like more than 4 months.
Yeah, it's been quite long and it's really good to see you.
Yeah, so I was in Bangalore,
Yeah,
and the one thing that I realized, I've traveled so many cities and I've lived in different countries as well. The This generation, our generation, they are focused on money.
yeah, too much money. They want money all the time and it's getting out of hand now. People are not really focusing on emotions. They just want to use the things.
Okay, see, emotions is what I mean to say is emotions are still okay, but they're neglecting their health in the way.
Yeah, there's no concern on the health these days. Everyone is just focused on money, getting material stuff. And yeah, it's been tragic.
It's been like I've seen people, they are working in IT firms, they are working in MNCs, corporate sectors, and if you see them, if you look at their lifestyle, they wake up late in the morning, they don't work out, they directly go to office, they don't even eat anything in the morning. Breakfast is so important, right? They don't eat anything in the morning, they go to the office, their timetable is fucked up, and working for like 8 to 9 hours in office, sitting at a place in the front of a PC, and whenever you are not in the front of a screen, again there's phone in your hand, right? So basically all the time there's some gadget in your hand or at your disposal, and you are just constantly being bombarded by dopamine secretion in your head, right? And even when you come off after the office, you come home again, you take your phone out from your pockets and you start using them. So there is no physical activity involved, which is leading to various issues like insomnia, you know.
Yeah, these things are taking our focus away. It's making our mind restless, and it is just we're seeing too many reels, too many. The attention span is going away like crazy.
The attention span is gone. Like even if you say to some person, just watch, look at this video and watch it, even for 30 seconds, he will
Can't watch it.
start to struggle
Yeah,
after 20 seconds to watch even that half minute of video.
so it's been crazy. We want new things every second. So it's been crazy.
And being in our mid 20s, both of us, we are in our mid 20s, so I would like to say this thing to all the people out there. So we work out on a daily basis, we eat clean, and we take ample amount of rest, at least 8 to 9 hours a day, right? So we are at the peak of our lives, right?
Yeah, it's really important. You should exercise. You should go out, get your gym done, eat well. Don't eat the junk food and fast food. Just eat clean and keep your bodies clean, really clean. It's gonna help you a lot. Your mind will feel good. Your body will feel good. You'll attract good people around you, and it's just so fantastic. You'll feel so amazing in your mind, in your heart. If you do these things properly, eat well, rest well, exercise well, meditate, you feel like your life is changing up and you'll feel a kind of ecstasy in your mind, in your heart. You'll feel like you're flying. So it's amazing. You should be focusing a lot on your body and the mind. Money is going to come. Money is going to follow you if you do all of these things properly. So really important.
See, money is the reflection
Yeah, of what you do.
of whatever lifestyle that you follow, right? So money is eventually gonna come if you do your basics right. We are not doing our basics right. That is the, like,
Yeah, that's the
a
main
core
problem.
issue.
Yeah, the moment we get up in the morning, we check our phones, who texted and who doesn't text, who has seen our messages, who has seen my snaps, and so
Ooh.
that thing just hits your brain deep, and when it should not be done. My
Yeah, like absolutely, Ajay, you are very right, my brother. Like when you wake up in the morning, the first thing you do is you go out for a walk, you stretch, you drink lots of water to flush out the toxins from your body. Not just take your phone, sit in your bed, and scroll for 1 hour. That is very harmful for health, because when we wake up in the morning, our mind is in uh, delta and theta state, right?
yeah.
So it needs some time to figure out like what is happening. You need to go out in the external environment, not just directly bombard again when you wake up in the morning, you directly bombard it with your phone, that screen, that glare of your phone. It is so harmful.
Yeah, it's really bad. It's really, really bad.
So, Ajay, I just want you to share 3 or 4 tips for our audience that is watching right now to make a good lifestyle, to help them to make themselves a better person and have a better lifestyle.
So the first thing you should be doing to make your life really, really easy is get up early in the morning and sleep early. So when you do this, your body and mind automatically gets in tune with each other. You automatically start eating well, exercising. Now the problem is when you mess up these 2 things, getting up early and sleeping up early, everything gets messes up in between. Your mind will feel lethargic and you won't feel like doing anything. So just try to get up early, sleep early. Everything will fit in place.
So I would also like to add one thing to this. It's a great point, and people, I said to like a lot of people, guys, please get up early in the morning, but they say we can't sleep early in the night. Even if we try to sleep at 10 o'clock or 11 o'clock in the night, we end up sleeping around 1 or 2. So that doesn't help us to get up early in the morning. So to break the cycle, what you can do is you can wake up early in the morning irrespective of whatever time that you have slept the last night. If you get up early in the morning, automatically your body will reset the cycle and you will feel sleepy around 9:30 and 10, and you will the following day sleep at 9:30 or 10.
Yeah, only text to people which really matters and that makes some sense. Else texting is useless. So if you're texting, hi, hello, how are you? It's useless. So text people who really matter, who helps up in your business and stuff, because it's like we are in our mid-20s. So it's
Correct.
really, really important that we only spend our time at the right places, right people, because else it's just fun. So you should really keep an eye on this thing. Text text to only people that make sense to you and that is important to you in your life.
Ah, great point again. Also, I would like to add with this point as well. Even if it's necessary to text some people, and in the urgent scenarios, you can call them, right?
Yeah, calling is better. So call them. It's going to save you a lot of time because when you text, it is a lot of senses that you have to look on because you can't see the face of the person sitting behind the phone. So what kind
Yeah.
of mood he or she is in? Is she really happy? Is he really happy? So
correct.
it's better to call them and save your time rather than guessing up what they're thinking. So really, really important.
So true, so true. Again,
Call them. Don't text them. Huh?
call them. Yeah, it's a great. See,
And
you.
if they are not ready to call, say bye bye to them. Simple.
Okay.
Don't go behind them running there. Call me, text me.
So-
you can't force anyone to
So
do it.
as we have seen in our lifestyle, in our lives, not lifestyle, in our lives, that many boys end up chasing girls that they don't really like from inside, but they just because of that attraction in this age and everything, and girls also chasing boys, stupid boys, narcissists. So one thing I would like to say to all the boys who are watching, and rather than chasing a butterfly, cultivate your own garden so that butterflies can come.
Yeah, dude. Make money first, and then get yourself upright in the middle. Keep your mind ready because at the end of the day, what matters is how much care you can take of the other people you're bringing in. So if you can't take care of the person you're bringing in, it's no use playing with them. Be clear from the very first day. That's what I'd say. And yeah, get yourself really settled and do stuff. That's the first thing you should be doing because at the end of the day, you should have money in your pocket. If you don't have it, nobody's gonna come.
Nobody's gonna come. It's so true, and I found out this the hard way. But
And yeah, one more thing I'll add that spending money will give you a kind of, it will kind of take your stress away. When you're sad, you just go and spend some money and you start feeling good. So it's a good painkiller, I guess. I'll say that. It's a good painkiller.
but again,
To
in
have
order to spend money, you should have some first.
Yeah, so that's what you have to work for.
Yeah. See, I myself, I'll be very honest. So I've taken a lot of girls out in different restaurants, in different cafes.
Yeah.
And what I have seen is, especially girls who are from here, they have a gold digger mentality, right? Like if a boy has taken them out, so it's sheer responsibility of a boy to pay for the bills, to pick them up, to drop them
Exactly.
again at the place,
Man
right?
responsibilities.
Again, I take I take full charge of it. Ki, being a boy, I have to pay first, and I have to approach you first. That's good.
Absolutely.
But
Man pays.
but again, a high value man will pay for your bills as well as his bills. But as a girl, we will pay the bills, right? But as a girl, you have to just
Full
offer.
loyalty.
No, you just have to offer that if we can share the bill, or you have to be very feminine around
Good
us.
gesture.
Yeah, it's a good gesture from your side. Just when we are taking care of the bills, when I'm paying the bills, the girls, they are standing just right nearby me, right? And they are looking at me, he will pay the bill because he is a boy. See it okay, then I will not see you again. And I have done that. I've taken out so many girls for one time, and I've seen them what type of mentality they have, and that's it from my side.
That's very true. That's very true. I fully agree with you.
So has anything like this happened to you?
Yeah, quite a lot of times, but I really don't think much about this part because I think I don't think much about this part because I think I'm okay with paying, but yeah, you should have full loyalty towards the person who is with you. That's what I'll say.
See, I'm also okay with paying money. I'm just saying that this should be a gesture from their
Yeah, it
side.
should be a good gesture that maybe sometimes you should say, okay, maybe I should get it, or that's really important.
That's really important. Like a high value man will see it, what type of girl you are, and from his side, it's done.
Yeah.